This tutorial is all about junk email. You may or may not want to reroute your junk email or your inbox items to your junk, and this is how we will do it. First, let's make sure you can find your junk folder. On the left-hand side, you'll see you do have folders. Here are my folders. And if you don't immediately see junk email, you want to scroll down and maybe look for the word more. When you click on the word more, you'll definitely spot it. Okay, so your junk email, of course, you can move the folder and drag it if you need it to appear in a different order. So I've moved it up 2 spots, but actually I like it right underneath my drafts, and I'll leave it right there. So you can drag and drop that order. But if I click on junk mail, I can see I have one item in my junk mail right now, and it may or may not be trash. And so I know that this has to do with augmented reality, and I'm kind of interested in these emails from Daiquiri. So if I want to continue to receive them in my inbox, I'll want to right-click on them, and I want to make sure I go down to mark not as junk. And when you do that, it will make itself report not as junk. So I can send a copy of this message to Microsoft. I'm not worried about that, so I'm going to not report this, and you'll see that my email is no longer in my junk. And if I go to inbox, the email is now in my inbox. Vice versa, if in your inbox you're finding that you're receiving junk mail, you can also right-click and mark something as junk and report or don't report as necessary. So I'm not going to report this, not a big deal. And now it's back into my junk. So you're able to reroute emails from your junk email folder to your inbox if needed. And like I said, quick tutorial to share a little bit about junk email.